afternoon, my friends. I am Vanavi. Now I am going to talk about my father. My father name is Shivaraj. He is my real hero. He is 34 years old. He is a farmer. He is very kind and helpful. He helps me in my studies. He teaches me good habits. He plays with me. He is the best father in the world. I love my father. Thank you everyone.
I am Divya. I am studying in 5th standard. Now I am going to talk about my family. My family is a happy family. My family is a small family. There are 4 members in my family. My family consists of My family consists of my 2 brothers and sisters. My father is the head of family. Thank you everyone.
Good morning, my friends. I am Charvi. I am studying in 5th standard. Now I am going to talk about my school. My school name is GHPS Emma Rosalli. It is very beautiful. My class is 5th. My class is 5th. 60. My school Kannada medium school. 6 teachers. There are 6 teachers in my school. My school is the best school. Thank you. My friends, I am Tejshwini. I am studying 4th standard. Now I am going to talk about my mother. My mother name is Geeta. She is housewife. She is 30 years old. She is a beautiful. She is my best friend. She gets up early in the morning. She cooks tasty food for us. She is very kind and loving. I love my mother very much. Thank you everyone.